my very Jamaican version of Snow White, Shanique and the Mirror of True Beauty. Up in the misty, breeze-swept hills of Mount Prosper lived a cocoa-brown girl named Shanique Glodon, known far and wide for three things: her radiant melanin-rich skin, her big laugh, her even bigger heart. It was the start of summer, and while most kids were planning river swims and festival parties, Shanique was excited about something else. Her teacher, Miss Tanya, stood before the class with an important notice. Children, Pineapple Valley was damaged badly by the storm. They need volunteers to replant crops, help clean up, and run self-esteem workshops for younger kids. Any brave soul want to join? Shanique's hand went up so fast it nearly flew off. Miss, I want to go. I love planting and I want to teach the kids to love them natural skin. Miss Tanya smiled proudly. You have the perfect heart for it, Shanique. Nice. Anyone else? No one else volunteered. Miss Tanya whispered, even one volunteer can change a whole community. That evening, Shanique told her father Uncle Clive over dinner. He scratched his chin. It's dangerous out there, Shanique. The storm mashed up that side badly, but I know you have the strength for community work. We're still not sure, so give me some time. I trust you though. Shanique hugged him. Daddy, I want to help the people. I feel like this is my purpose. But someone else overheard the entire conversation. Madame Bleachana Sparkles, Shanique's stepmother. Her eyebrow jumped, her lips pursed, her jealous spirit trembled. She tiptoed away whispering, perfect. A way to get the glowing girl out of this house and out of my mirror's mouth. The next morning, Bleachana swept into the room smelling like lemon bleach and suspicious intentions. Clive, darling, she said sweetly, I heard little Shanique wants to join the Pineapple Valley volunteer program for her education. I think it's wonderful. She's such a bright girl, such bright learning opportunities. Let her go. Shanique glanced at her father. Uncle Clive looked torn, but eventually nodded. She can angle herself, and it's good for her growth. Bleachana smiled like a villain in a soap opera, but we all knew the truth. She wanted Shanique gone, so the mirror would finally call her the fairest. The valley glowed, golden with pineapple fields, though many were battered by the storm. A sweet scent hung in the air, ripe fruit and fresh earth. 7 fun-sized, once strong but now exhausted fruit farmers ran toward her. Pops, Zing, Kochi, Tots, Gully, Pippa, and Breeze. Breeze gasped. Wait, Shanique Glodon, Clive daughter? Pippa nodded. From Mount Prosper? We known her for a long time. Shanique blinked. You know my stepmother too? The farmers exchanged looks. Pops scratched his belly. Noir, Bleachana used to live right here before she moved to Sunnyvale. Sell pineapple juice under the guinea tree. She used to be a nice, natural, normal girl. Then she get bleach fever. Tots sighed dramatically. Yeah man, and that's why she left. She wanted to live somewhere she thought she'd be the lightest one around. Shanique shook her head. No, everything makes sense. With her sleeves rolled up and her volunteer badge shining, Shanique created 2 missions. Mission 1, replant Pineapple Valley. Plant new pineapple suckers, clear storm debris, clean irrigation channels, repair the packing shed, organize the fields into strong, neat rows. Mission 2, teach the kids to love their skin. Every evening under the big star apple tree, she taught why melanin is magical, how bleaching harms the body, how confidence shines brighter than any cream, and how to love the exact shade they were born with. Soon, the community adored her. Kids followed her everywhere. Miss Shanique, even the tired farmers felt hopeful again. Back in Sunnyvale, Bleachana posed before the mirror. No mirror, who are the fairest woman in Jamaica? The mirror sighed heavily. Still Shanique, ma'am. She's glowing with purpose. Bleachana screamed loud enough to break her own nose contour. I must stop her glow. She disguised herself as an pineapple vendor and marched straight to Pineapple Valley. She approached Shanique dramatically. Pretty girl, Biological whitening pineapple. Shanique sniffed it. Miss, the pineapple looked like it get a flower bath. The farmers immediately recognized her. Bleachana, your face white like cake mix. Go home, Zing shouted. Her disguise melted in the heat. Bleachana fell to her knees. Why does everyone love Shanique more than me? Shanique walked over, gentle and glowing. People love me because I am me. And stepmommy used to love yourself before bleaching took over your confidence. The 7 farmers nodded. You were nicer when you loved your natural shade. Come back home and come back to yourself. Embrace your melanin, man. Bleachana's lips trembled. You think I can be beautiful again, natural? Shanique hugged her. Yes, you just need to love yourself the same way you want the mirror to love you. The pineapple fields rustled, the breeze hummed, and miles away, the mirror whispered faintly, She's right, ma'am. Bleachana finally exhaled, and for the first time in years, she felt free. Bleachana threw out every bleaching cream. She reconnected with the farmers who remembered her before the bleaching craze. She even helped Uncle Clive run the fields again, natural, glowing, and proud. Shani completed her summer mission with flying colors and returned home a hero. And the mirror, it finally got to rest. Sometimes it said, Shani, Clive, and Bleachana, all shades of perfect, all shades of beautiful. Shani would stick out her tongue and joke, See there? True beauty sweet like pineapple, and it never bleach off. Moral of the story? Your complexion is not a problem to solve. It's a blessing to celebrate. Love your skin, protect your melanin, and shine naturally always.